So before I showed you the item, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about how I got here with this purchase. So about, I would say, gosh, maybe it's been a couple months now. I went to a conference in Austin, Texas, and while I was there, I decided to go to the San Marcos Premium Outlet. So I spent some time there, and I was really on the hunt for a tote or a handbag. Like, I knew I wanted to buy a tote. I really don't feel like I had the right tote for work. I could talk more about a tote that I purchased for my birthday last year that is just not working out. I was like, let me find something a little bit different. And I thought that I would definitely find something in Coach or one of the other luxury outlets. So I went from store to store, found nothing. While I was there, they had a Dooney Bourke outlet. So I went into the Dooney Bourke outlet, and I have to say, out of all of those luxury outlets, Coach, I don't know if you've experienced the same thing. Think about it the next time that you enter one of those luxury leather handbag stores. They never smell like leather. And I know this is a strange thing to say, but leather to me has a beautiful smell. I love the smell of leather. And when I go into Coach, when I went into Gucci, all of those premium luxury outlet stores, you never have that smell of leather until I went into Dooney Bourke. And as soon as I walked in, I smelt genuine leather. And I have not purchased a Dooney Bourke handbag. I love their product. I am a native Connecticut girl. Dooney Bourke they were established in Norwalk, Connecticut, so I really have an affinity for the product. Strangely enough, I also have an affinity for Subway, which is also created in Connecticut. So I really support my Connecticut brands, my Subway sandwiches, and my Dooney Bourke purses. I do wear my Dooney Bourkes a lot, love them. Some of my favorite totes are from Dooney Bourke, but like I said before, I just haven't been purchasing from them in a while. So I walked around the store, did not really see anything that really caught my eye. I really wanted a tote bag in suede, did not see anything there at the outlet. But as I have since left, got back home, I just could not stop thinking about that smell of genuine leather. So I went right on to the Dooney Bourke website and started looking around, and I saw a tote that really caught my eye, and I put it in my basket, and I kept it there since I left Austin, so about a month now. I just really wanted to make sure that I wasn't doing any spontaneous shopping. That's something that if you've seen some of my earlier vlogs and videos about really doing a low buy and really being intentional about my items, it's really important to me that I don't just buy things right away. So I wanted to be intentional. So I kept it in my basket for a while, and a sale came up, and lo and behold, I decided to go for it and purchase it. So I wanted to share that handbag with you today. Here is the box. I did already open it. I got overly excited. So this is not going to be open up everything, but it's already been opened. I wanted to, but I haven't used it yet. So I just want to be clear. I have not used it. It's been here. There's actually two bags I want to talk to you about. They're both in here. Let me hide this one. Can get to this yet. I must say that because I haven't purchased from Dooney Bourke in a while, I want to start off to say, I know no one from Dooney Bourke is watching this, but I'm very underwhelmed on your packaging and how you deliver. I ordered some clothing from ThredUp. ThredUp is an online thrift store, and I would say that the packaging that came with those items were better than the packaging that I received from Dooney Bourke. Dooney Bourke, the bag was just wrapped in plastic and just put into a box. I was really hoping for a little bit more, and maybe I've just become spoiled by some of the luxury items that I've purchased that come in really beautiful packaging with paper, and it's a whole experience opening it up. I did not feel like I had an experience opening up this Dooney, and the fact that I had a better experience opening thrift clothes items from ThredUp, I think says a lot. So I think Dooney, there's some opportunity to make this experience a little bit better. but doesn't take away from the fact that at first sight, I loved this bag. This is a suede tote. The plastic is still on it. It's called the Suede Tote. You can see it right there. The Suede Tote in the color amber. And this is, of course, genuine suede with leather trim, and it also has what are my favorite things, feet. It has red lining. It still has all of the paper inside. Take that out. And it does come with a dust bag. I was just a little disappointed on how it was received. Yeah, so this is it's just called the Suede Tote in the color amber. And it comes with several pockets inside. And it has a zip pocket. And then it looks like it has like a cell phone kind of pockets. And then another pocket. It also comes, I believe this is called a keychain, with a keychain as well. It does come with the gold hardware, which I'm completely loving. A zip closure, which I think is really important. I really like having the zip closure. I haven't had a chance to test it yet, but I will use it this week for work, and I'll come back and let you know how it worked, how it fit. I'm sorry, I took off the plastic on the straps. That was driving me crazy, because I am going to dive right into it. Just from the size of it, I know that it will fit my laptop. I bring quite a few items to work. I do work hybrid. I have no doubt that this will fit my laptop, my water bottle. I always bring a small little purse as well. When I have my big tote bag, I bring a small wallet size purse. It's not heavy. One thing about Dooney that can happen is that sometimes it can be really heavy. I think that's something they've worked on. This is very lightweight. The suede feels real premium. The leather is beautiful. This is definitely lighter chocolate that's been really popular this winter. I am excited to use it. If you've seen some of my other videos around my birthday time, March of this year, I bought a Damilia tote in a chocolate brown as well. And I'll talk about that in the next video because I want to compare the two. I would have to say that the fact that I bought another suede tote could say a lot about how I'm feeling about that Damilia tote in the chocolate suede, but I will talk about that in the next upcoming video as I've had time to kind of spend time with this, take this for a spin, but love it. I was concerned about it being heavy, but it's really not. I really love how it looks. So this is my new tote from Dooney Bourke, and I will keep you posted on how it works day to day, whether it gets really heavy once I start putting my computer and other items in it. I will let you know how it goes, but I think it's beautiful. I love it. Another purchase I did as well, and I think you'll see a theme here with the suede. The next item I purchased is from the Banana Republic outlet. And this is what they're calling vegan suede, but you know, faux suede. And it is in the really popular color right now. This was another item that I purchased. This was a purse that I saw while I was in the outlets in Austin. I went into the Banana Republic outlet. I tried it on. It was regular outlet price. There wasn't any additional sale price on it. Really liked it, but decided to pass. And I was also going back and forth if I wanted to get a faux suede. One of the things I told myself this year is that I wanted to make sure that I bought everything in either genuine leather or genuine suede, whether or not it be shoes or purses, and not buying any more faux. But the more that I thought about it, and I started thinking about this burgundy color and not really wanting to invest a lot of money in this new trendy burgundy color for the season. Not sure yet. Maybe if I love this color and it goes with a lot of my outfits, maybe I'll decide to get something that is genuine suede in the burgundy. But I thought right now I would just test this color in the suede and not really have to worry about it being something that's really expensive. So this is called the Vegan Crossbody bag in the color burgundy. I love how it has a magnet closure. Take this stuff out since I am going to start wearing it. Maybe to some considered mini. I am 4'11". What is maybe mini for some folks is medium size for me. As long as this bag can carry my little wallet, my cell phone, and a lipstick, I'm fine. I don't really carry a lot in my handbag. I'm really excited about this, and hopefully the color is showing up. It's a beautiful burgundy color here. Hopefully you can see it. I'm excited about this as well. I think it was 50% off, so I think it was good that I waited and didn't necessarily buy it when I was in the store. And this was also a handbag that when I saw it, I could not get out of my mind. That's how things work. If it stays in my mind and I keep thinking about it, I put it in my basket, let it sit there. My rule is at least 5 days. These purchases stayed in my basket for over a month. I really wanted to make sure that I was getting something I was going to use and get bang for my buck. These are my two. This is the Dooney Bourke Suede Tote and the Vegan Crossbody from the Banana Republic are my two purchases. Please let me know what you think of these two bags, the tote and the handbag. What are your thoughts on Dooney Bourke? Is it a forgotten brand that we need to bring back? I know it gets overshadowed by other brands. Dooney Bourke has been in the business for a long time, but I don't hear too many people or anybody. I don't hear anybody talking about Dooney Bourke anymore. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. I would love to hear your thoughts. And please give this a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.